Today, I'm going to explain a powerful homemade soldering flux. First, I tried using a normal market brand's soldering flux for this soldering work. As you can see, the solder is not flowing smoothly, and oxidation is still visible on the metal surface. Sometimes, low-quality flux does not clean the surface properly, and soldering becomes difficult. Now let's talk about another option, a homemade zinc-based soldering flux made using zinc metal and toilet cleaner. This type of flux is known for its strong cleaning power and is mainly used for heavy soldering work. Flux plays a very important role in soldering because it removes oxidation and helps solder stick properly to the metal. When zinc reacts with an acidic cleaner, it forms a strong cleaning solution that works well on copper wires, battery terminals, and metal joints. But remember, this reaction produces heat and gas, so safety is very important. Always work in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves and eye protection. Never try this inside a closed room. This homemade flux is not recommended for mobile phone motherboard repair or IC soldering because it can cause corrosion if not cleaned properly. For PCB and micro soldering work, always use professional no-clean flux. Homemade zinc flux is best for thick wires and metal soldering jobs. After using this flux, always clean the soldered area properly with alcohol or water to avoid rust and long-term damage. DIY solutions can be useful, but safety and correct usage are more important than anything else. If you like repair tips and soldering knowledge like this, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more mobile repair and soldering tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay safe while working with tools and chemicals.